So back in January, I took off my front splitter. It was pretty beat up and it just looked bad. So I figured, having nothing in the front is a lot better than having that thing on. Recently, browsing eBay, I found this splitter and figured, hey, it's cheap. What's the worst that could happen?
Oh, this is retarded. eBay parts.
So I got this front splitter off of eBay for 60 bucks. The pictures looked okay, so I figured, okay, what the hell? What do I got to lose?
Oh, unfortunately, it doesn't look like it comes with any nuts or anything to hold it up.
Oh shit. Does that mean we have to go to a hardware store?
Yeah. So the moral of the story is if you're buying from eBay, just assume you're not going to get any hardware. Even if they give you some. Because it's not going to be all of them. They're not going to fit. From my old splitter.
Anyway, how rusted are those?
Dude, it's like 3 years.
Oh lord.
A lot better.
Is there anything you'd like to say about these splitters?
No?
Anything in particular they're special about, or you just got them because you like them?
I got them because they look cool. So on the splitter, you notice that there are these holes over here. If you put them underneath the car, you'll find that there are actual holes that correspond to these holes.
So the splitter comes in 5 pieces, the centerpiece, the 2 side pieces, and then the shark fins that connect to the side pieces, and then like half the hardware. Yeah, like they just gave us like a few like bolts, and then like a couple nuts, and that's just not enough. Like there's not enough bolts to go into all the holes. I had to improvise and use the old screws and stuff from my old splitter, which I'm lucky that I saved. I'm just gonna leave this on my car since I already went through the trouble of installing it, and I don't know, if I find a better one down the line, I'm definitely gonna replace it. I highly do not recommend buying this or anything off of eBay.